My class. I am your ma'am Kiran, and today I will tell you how to write capital B. Okay, capital B or a uppercase B. Okay, uh, look at this chart paper. I have 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 lines here, but you have to write capital B in first 3 lines. Okay, start from the top like this. Draw a straight line, a standing line, then go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Okay, first of all draw a straight line. Okay, go back to the top and draw a curve. Draw a curve to the middle, then draw a curve to joining a bottom. Okay, what I have to do here, draw a standing line, go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle, then draw another curve to joining the bottom. This is a capital B. Once again, draw a standing line, go back to the top, draw a curve in the middle, then another curve to joining the bottom. Okay, this is a capital B. What is this? This is a capital B. Okay, you have to practice on your rough notebooks. You have to do 2 pages of capital B. Okay, promise? Good class.